And the shutdown flow.
All right, so the flow doesn't mean these, starts here with pumps and igniters. Okay. So fuel pumps off, igniters off. And then everything over here off, except of course for nav lights.
Okay, that's done. Pressure avionics.
Well, next it says environmental off.
Environmental off.
And that's your panel over here. And basically the three switches here should be down, center, down. And then that's off.
Down,
center, down.
Down. That's off. Then it's pressure.
Pressure out and off. So that's spring loaded, so you have to press the center part with your thumb and pull out. So that puts the cork in the bottle. No more bleed air coming in. ECS off. Then alternator. Oh, sorry. Somewhere we missed avionics on there.
Oh.
So stand by. Shutdown flow, environmental off, pressure. Yep, there it is. Avionics. Now, alternator, generator. Make sure you're out of beta. So just go to flight idle. And then stop the noise.
And we stop the noise.
Lift this up and pull it back promptly. Don't do it slowly. Right. And that smoke out there is normal for a cool day like today. It's fuel going into the exhaust to burn the part that can't be maintained or put back.
Pad off.
Well, let's wait for rotation to stop. Make sure you're below 10% NG.
10% NG. We are.
Yeah, below 10% NG. And then we would write down our numbers, but we didn't go anywhere, so that's okay.
Okay.
And then battery master off. Nicely done.